It is no hidden fact that Pakistan-supported terror groups are spreading their wings throughout the world. While countries in Asia remains at consistent target of jihadist groups, African continent has now become a new hub of these jihadi outfits as they are collaborating with the local terrorist organizations to not only indulge in terror-related activities but are jointly carrying out human trafficking, drug smuggling and other illegal activities. The involvement of Pakistani missions in African countries is also exposed. A report.
A Pakistani diplomat was recently deported from South Africa for flouting multiple local and international laws related to illegal human trafficking. Waqas Ahmad, who was employed in the Pakistan embassy in Harare, was intercepted in 2019 for helping 3 Pakistani nationals to illegally enter into South Africa through Beit Bridge. The incident is one out of several others where Pakistan's diplomatic missions has been found complicit in activities like human trafficking and drug smuggling. According to a report published in the Standard newspaper in May this year, a businessman settled in Zimbabwe had also accused Harare-based Pakistan embassy staffers of running a human trafficking racket to smuggle nationals into South Africa. Terrorism, money laundering, drug trafficking and human trafficking in African continent have risen in recent years. Experts believe that terrorist organizations like Al-Qaeda and Hizbul Mujahideen are expanding their reach and collaborating with Africa-based terror outfits.
The Sahel region is a big, vast region who you have a concentration of different movements, terrorist jihadists. They have alliance with Pakistani organization and Afghan as well, and to reinforce their network and destabilize, African states.
Al-Qaeda and Islamic State affiliated organizations Jamaat Nusrat al-Islam wal Muslimin and Islamic State in Greater Sahara are predominantly operating in Triangle of the 3 countries in South Africa. The Lake Chad Basin is dominated by infamous Boko Haram, which is listed as one of the 4 most violent radical Islamic terror groups in the world. Boko Haram has been shifting loyalties with the international terrorist outfits mainly settled in and around Pakistan. In 2009, it aligned with the Al-Qaeda to fulfill its political ambitions, but later forged an alliance with ISIS in 2015 to reconstitute itself as Islamic State West Africa province. Since then, Pakistan-sponsored terrorist training camps have been found running in African regions like Dao.
Boko Haram is a jihadist organization that is a nebula of drug traffickers. It's officially joined ISIS in 2015. After the occupation of northern Mali in March 2012, we saw the presence of Pakistani and Afghan trainers in the terrorist training camp in Gao and Mopti as well.
Pakistan has been establishing its diplomatic relations and missions in the African continent at an accelerated pace since 2019. Meanwhile, radical jihadi violence associated with Pakistan is increasing all through Africa and spreading to international locations which aren't overwhelmingly Muslim dominated.